Hello,
Hello.
do you care to hear?
Okay.
I am learning English. Do you can help me?
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Khương. And you?
My name is Tuấn. Where are you from?
I come from USA.
USA.
Yes.
Do you like basketball?
Yes, I do.
Why did you come here?
I came here for vacation.
Vacation.
Yes.
Are you having fun?
Yes. I'm having a great time.
How long have you been here?
I've been here about 2 weeks.
2 weeks. What do you like the best about here?
Oh, what do I like the best? Oh, eat food.
Food. Oh, what kind of Vietnamese food do you like?
I like noodle soup, spring rolls, and pancake.
Oh, pancake. Do you like pancake?
Yes.
Have, where have you visited in Hanoi?
I have visited Temple of Literature and the Old Quarter.
If I were you, I want visit Hanoi Museum of Ethnology and Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. Because it is an interesting place. Oh, how can I cater with you?
Did in my hotel.
Oh, thank.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.